Imagine waking up each day, knowing you have the potential to make money just by leveraging these tools. The excitement builds as you recognize that each platform offers a unique way to monetize your skills, or even your imagination. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a seasoned entrepreneur. With a bit of effort and creativity, success can be within your reach. It's about finding the right niche and embracing the technology at your fingertips. So, which tool resonates with you the most? Are you ready to dive into this profitable journey? As we conclude this exploration, remember that the world of AI tools is ever evolving, and these resources hold the key to unlocking your financial potential. Embrace the future, adapt to new technologies, and you might just discover the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Start experimenting today and shape your path to success. As you embark on this journey, consider how each tool aligns with your interests and goals. Perhaps you have a flair for art, which could make Mid-Journey your go-to option to generate stunning visuals. Or if you're passionate about storytelling, Jasper AI might be the perfect companion to help you craft captivating narratives. The beauty of these AI tools is their versatility, allowing anyone to tap into their creative side while generating income. Stay curious, explore different avenues, and don't hesitate to promote your creations across various platforms. The possibilities are boundless when you blend technology with your passions. In the dynamic realm of artificial intelligence, opportunities abound for those willing to explore and innovate. Each tool presented serves not just as a means to earn, but as a gateway to creating something truly remarkable. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your own designs flourish on Canva AI or hearing your voiceovers resonate through countless audiobooks thanks to 11 Labs. You have the power to turn ideas into income streams, transcending traditional barriers. So as you delve into these AI resources, remember that every click, every creation brings you closer to achieving your financial aspirations and fulfilling your creative dreams. With the array of AI tools available, the key is to choose those that resonate with your skills and passions. For instance, if you're someone who loves storytelling, Jasper AI could elevate your writing game, making crafting engaging content feel seamless and enjoyable. Alternatively, if visual arts capture your interest, Mid-Journey might be your playground, allowing you to transform text prompts into extraordinary artwork that can be sold online. It's essential to reflect on what excites you most about these tools and how they can creatively align with your goals for financial growth. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, and exploring these technologies can lead to unexpected joy and fulfillment. Imagine diving deeper into these options, finding the one tool that truly resonates with your skills and aspirations. Consider how Canva AI could enhance your design abilities, or how 11 Labs might transform your content creation. The journey of leveraging AI tools opens doors to new possibilities, pushing you to innovate and grow. As you explore this landscape, remember that each tool offers not just functionality, but a chance to unleash your creative potential. Getting started may seem daunting, but the rewards can be profound. Your adventure awaits. Embrace it wholeheartedly. As you ponder which tool will set you on your path to success, remember that it's essential to maintain a proactive mindset. Many individuals are already harnessing these AI technologies, finding innovative ways to enhance their income streams. By keeping your skills sharp and adapting to market trends, you'll place yourself ahead of the curve. Consider connecting with communities of like-minded individuals who share your aspirations, allowing you to exchange tips and strategies. The journey always benefits from collaboration and shared experiences. In this rapidly changing digital landscape, one thing is clear: the right tools can empower you to reach new financial heights. As you embark on this exploration, think about the different strategies you can apply with these AI tools to create meaningful connections. Networking with fellow enthusiasts can inspire innovative ideas and collaboration opportunities. By engaging with others, sharing insights, and leveraging specific skills, you'll not only enhance your own knowledge but also potentially unlock new avenues for income generation. Explore social media groups, online forums, or local meetups to connect with others on this journey. Remember, the landscape of AI is vibrant and diverse, and your proactive involvement will significantly enrich your experience. As you navigate through this dynamic environment, stay committed and curious, for the future holds endless possibilities. As you evaluate your options, think about how these tools can complement each other in your money-making journey. For instance, combining Jasper AI's exceptional writing capabilities with Surfer SEO can elevate your blog posts, driving more organic traffic and increasing revenue potential. Each tool is a stepping stone toward a comprehensive strategy that enhances your chances of success. Remember, exploring synergies among these resources can unlock even greater efficiency and creativity in your projects. The possibilities truly multiply when you leverage the strengths of multiple AI tools in tandem. As you reflect on the potential of these AI tools, consider how they can transform your current endeavors or inspire new ones. For instance, if you love crafting videos, leveraging Pictory AI to streamline your process could free up valuable time for creativity. Alternatively, harnessing HeyGen for personalized avatar videos can reshape how you communicate your ideas. Embrace the innovation that each tool brings, and let your imagination flourish as you explore the myriad of opportunities that await. Keep an open mind, and allow these AI technologies to pave your way toward financial independence and artistic expression. The future is bright with possibilities, so take that first leap today and watch your dreams unfold. The journey into the world of AI tools brings not just potential profits, but a creative revolution. Each tool serves a unique purpose, offering pathways to explore your passions while building sustainable income streams. As you experiment and apply these resources, envision a future where your talents are empowered by technology, allowing you to innovate and succeed in ways you've never imagined. Don't hesitate to dive in and take charge. The insights you've gained today can lead to financial freedom and a fulfilling career. Embrace the change and seize the opportunities that await you on this exciting journey. As you move forward in your quest for financial empowerment through AI tools, remember that your journey is as unique as you are. Embrace the challenges and triumphs, support others in their pursuits, and celebrate each success, no matter how small. Your commitment to growth and innovation will pave the way for a brighter financial future.